Hello students, I am Mr. Deepak Mahale from the Mechanical Department. Today I am taking the lecture on method study. After this completion of session, the student will be able to understand the term method study in depth, and second, how to draw the process chart. These are the content of this session: definition of method study, objectives of method study procedure, recording techniques. Now, what is method study? Method study is defined as the systematic investigation of existing method of doing job in order to develop an efficient and effective procedure for doing that job at lower cost with the increasing the productivity. Means, in a method study, the old process is examined and new processes developed for improving the productivity of that plant. These are the objectives of method study. First objective is improving the process and procedure. First, we will record the old method study procedure of that plant, and it will be improved for increasing the productivity, and its procedure also increased. Next is improving the plant layout. Means, if the plant layout is wrong, the man and material have to be placed here and there, then the productivity and the time required for that productivity is more. To improve that plant layout, the productivity will be increased and less fatigue life is given to the operator or the persons. Next is improvement in the use of man, machine and material. Sometimes the man is working onto the plant with running from here and there because of the equipments are placed here and there. To reduce that man running from here and there, we have to give the plant layout properly, and machine are well arranged, and the material is placed at the some place from where the man can be get it easily. Second, improvement in the flow of production and process. Means, in the flow of production means after completion, for example, after the drilling we have to do the milling, then we will arrange the machines in a row to get the process will be followed easily. Next, improvement in the design of plant and equipment. Means, equipments which are used only, which has to be changed time to time with the different technology, and improved technology will be installed in it to get the different product from that, and the quality of the product will be increased. Next point is method of standardization. Means, small parts, means for example nut and bolt assembly can be taken from the vendors to reduce the manufacturing cost of that, because the vendor can be manufactured that part within mass production, and the quantity and the quality of the product can be increased. Okay, means for after that the quality and quantity, the production cost will be reduced. Next point is method study procedure. In the method study procedure, first point is select. In this select in first point select, in that we have to consider which plant layout we have to check for the method study procedure. For that we have to take three different criteria. Means, economical criteria, technical consideration and human consideration into that. Next is record. We have to record old existing layout plus its proper machining assembly line or any other equipment production line. We have to check and well record manner, then record. Third step is examine. In examine, after the recording, the process will be examined by the expert engineers to improve that process and give the new suggestions to him. After that examine, we have to develop the new process with improved points in that to develop the new production line. After developing, we have to define that process. Means, first we have to check that process neatly, and after that we have to define new process and explain it to the customer or the organizer. Then install that process. Installing means we have to arrange the plant layout in new improved procedure. Then after flow of material, flow of man, and flow of machine means working of machine is checked in that. Okay, next last step is our maintain, means after the installation we have to follow up the regularly the machining procedure. And machining procedure means we have to take that assembly line to be in follow procedure. Next, now we will see recording techniques. There are three types of recording technique. First is process chart indicating process sequence. Second is time scales chart that uses the time scale, and third one is diagram indicating movements. Now we will see what are the symbol used for process charts. First symbol is operation, which is shown by a circle. For example, turning on lathe, loading job on machine, writing a letter is called an operation, which is shown by a circle. Next symbol is inspection, which is shown by a square. It indicates the checking for correctness of quality. For example, counting, checking a dimension, reading a draft copy of a letter, etc. Next symbol is transport, which is shown by arrow. It informs about the movement of the main material and equipments. Means, for example, material sent for inspection, employee going to meet the manager, etc. Next symbol is delay. It shows the stoppage in the sequence of event. For example, waiting for the part to come from previous section, wait for authority's signature. Next symbol is storage, means raw material or a finished product is stored in a warehouse or in a storeroom, that is shown by a storage symbol. Next, with this symbol, combined symbol are also used. First one is operation with transport, which is shown by circle and arrow. For example, assembly of parts when it is moving on a conveyor. Next is operation and inspection, which is done simultaneously. Filling the milk in packages and checking of leakages. Now we will see what is outline process chart. It is called an operation process chart. An outline process chart is defined as a process chart that gives an overall picture by recording only the main operation and inspection in a sequence. We will see a simple example for outline process chart. Draw an outline process chart for checking diameter of the 50 mm of the shaft. Now pause the video and think what are the symbols required to draw that outline process chart, and then play the video and see the answer. First, we have to use the storage symbol because shaft is stored in a storeroom. From that we have to pick up. For picking the shaft for inspection, we have to use the symbol arrow. After shifting of the shaft on the inspection table, we have to hold that job in a bench wise, which is shown by a circle, means there is a operation is done. After that, after holding the shaft, we have to inspect by vernier caliper of its diameter, which is shown by a square symbol. After checking, we have to shift that job again to the storeroom, which is shown by arrow, and which is placed in a rack in a storeroom or a warehouse, which is shown by a triangle symbol. This is simple example of outline process chart. Now we will see time scale chart. There are two types of charts in a time scale. First is multiple activity chart and second one is CMO chart. We will see multiple activity chart. Figure shows a simple form of multiple activity chart. In that, working of machine, in that hatching line shows the work and blank space shows the ideal time for man or for machine, which is doing simultaneously that work. For example, when the worker operates the CNC machine, he have to place the raw material as a shaft in a CNC lathe machine. After that, he has to close the door and stay idle for completing that job by CNC. Means simultaneously work is shown in the diagram, that is called multiple activity chart. Means we can see that when the man is working, machine is idler, and when the machine is working, man is idle. This is the simple form of multiple activity chart. Now we will see CMO chart. A CMO chart is defined as a chart often based on the film analysis used to record simultaneously on a common time scale the thrumblings or graphs efficient part of the body of one or more workers. In simple words, we can say that it is the graphical representation of the micro motion of the hands of worker under study. While preparing the CMO chart, the movement of each hand is recorded in a separate column. This chart is called as simultaneous motion cycle chart because it records the simultaneous motion of worker. In the figure, we can see that on the left hand side, the moment of left hand of a worker is shown, and on right hand side moment of right hand of the worker is shown. For example, in the chart we can see that assembly of nut bolt by a worker. In the left hand, bolt is held by the worker, and in the right hand, nut is held by the worker. After grasping that bolt from the group of the bolt or group of the nuts, in the right hand he picked the bolt, and in the left hand he picked the nut to assemble it, which is shown by a CMO chart. Now we will see the diagram indicating the movement, in that having 4 types. First is flow diagram. It is defined as a scale diagram which shows the relative position of the machines, inspection sections, stores, and work path followed by the man and material. The disadvantage of flow chart is that it does not indicate the actual movement of the machine and man. This is important because of number of movements is minimized. It results in a lot of saving in the time and ultimately the cost, which is shown in the diagram. We can see that machines are placed in a flow and connected by a line. Next we will see the string diagram. A string diagram is defined as a scale plan or a model on which a thread is used to trace and measure the path of workers, materials, or equipment during the specified sequence of events. It is the spatial form of flow diagram in which a string or a thread is used to represent the movements. Now we will see the cycle graph. It is the study of path of movement of an operator hands and fingers. To make a cycle graph, a small electric bulb is attached to the finger of an operator while he is performing the operation. By taking the photographs, space for one complete cycle is shoot. After the film is developed, the resulting picture shows a permanent record of the motion pattern employed in the form of closed loop of white continuous line with the working area in the background. It stresses especially those movements which are too fast for human eye to pursue or see. After that we will see chronocycle graph. Chronocycle graph was also introduced by Gilbert. It is similar to the cycle graph but is modified version of it. The disadvantage of cycle graph is that it neither indicates the speed nor indicates the direction of the movement. In a chronocycle graph uses a series of bulbs that is tied to the hands of fingers of the operator. The bulb interrupts the light source 10 to 30 times per second. Thus, instead of recording the path of the movements as continuous line, chronocycle graph records the same in the form of pear-shaped spots on an photographic plate as shown in figure. The pointed end of the pear-shaped spot shows the direction of the movement, and the shape and the spacing of these spots indicates whether the speed of the working is increasing or decreasing. A chronocycle graph can be used to study the motion pattern as well as to compute velocity, acceleration, retardation experienced by the body member of different location. By knowing the rate at which the light source is being interrupted, the speed of the moment can be easily determined. These are the diagram for indicating the moment is used in the method study. In this video, we have seen what is method study, procedure for method study, and recording techniques which are used for recording the method study. Thank you.